Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishan Mao here and welcome to more RC video reviews. Today I have the new Beta 85 Pro 2. It's from their Pro series. It hasn't been released yet on their website and other sites, but lucky me, I have got my hands on it. Now, let's check out the specs right away. Alright, now that you know the specs are looking really sweet, the next thing the Beta FPV actually claims that this 2S brushless FPV Whoop is actually capable of doing aerobatics like ordinary big 3-inch or 5-inch quadcopters or FPV racing freestyle drones. So basically, having Beta FPV 85 Pro 2, you're able to pull your favorite freestyle moves. So that's what Beta FPV claims. We're gonna put that to test and see if I can pull my favorite FPV freestyling moves or not with the 85 Pro 2 right here. This is my favorite spot. As you can see, there are lots of big giant blades in the background. These are the wind turbine blades. China is installing a whole lot of wind turbines these days for green energy. Let me show you what kind of batteries it can actually hold. So basically it came with a 300 milliamp 2S battery, but I was able to fit a 450 milliamp GN battery, that is 2S, and also my favorite, some custom 7.4 volt 450 milliamp 100C batteries. So basically they fit very well because I really love the way they did not add that custom battery holder that many FPV Whoop makers are actually doing, making it proprietary to have their batteries, must have their batteries. So this is what I like in Beta FPV 85 Pro 2, that they gave you a Velcro strap right here and you can fit this, this and this type of batteries easily. All right, enough about the specs, enough about what kind of batteries actually fit in. Let's fit one of the batteries in and see what this baby can do. Yes, I actually wonder, can you enjoy FPV dives with FPV Whoops? Previously, I tried FPV diving with FPV Whoops, but it always goes wrong. You know why? Because of the body, it's very lightweight, wind's affected, and it always goes, you know, I mean, your dive actually goes really bad. But as Beta FPV claims that you can do all kind of aerobatics with 85 Pro 2 that big quads can do, so I wonder, can it dive? We're gonna find out. If this can dive really nice, I do have marked some places where I want to enjoy some FPV dives. Enough talking, let's put in a battery and let's see what this baby can do. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?